You hit the button for a free trial and your phone pings with a bank alert before the app even finishes loading. That is the exact moment the honeymoon phase with a new app turns into a frantic search for a cancel button that seems to be hidden on purpose. We have all seen those flashy ads for this photo editor that promises to make your social media feed look like a high-budget production. It is called Hypic, and the buzz around it is deafening right now. It comes from the same powerhouse company that built the most popular short-form video app in the world. Because of that corporate connection, the filters are not just good, they are perfectly synced with whatever is currently blowing up on your feed. You can turn a boring selfie into a gritty cyberpunk scene, or a vintage comic book panel with literally one tap. The AI tools for removing backgrounds are surprisingly sophisticated. You can retouch skin or swap backgrounds without paying a dime up front. Most apps in this category lock the good stuff behind a massive paywall the second you open them. This one actually lets you play around with real tools from the start. The free tier feels generous. It is designed to get you hooked on the speed and the quality of the batch editing. But there is a massive shadow hanging over all that convenience. Users are reporting a bizarre and frustrating glitch where the most powerful AI features simply vanish into thin air. You open the app on a Tuesday and everything is great. You open it on Wednesday and the buttons are gone. Customer support is apparently a ghost town. You are left staring at a screen, waiting days for your tools to reappear with no explanation or apology. Then there is the privacy side of things. Since it shares DNA with major social platforms, it tracks your activity across other apps to build a profile of your habits. That is not exactly a secret, but it is a heavy price to pay for a cool filter. The real kicker, though, is the billing design. There is a documented pattern of people signing up for a free trial only to be charged the full subscription fee the very same second. It is a bold move to charge for something labeled as free before the trial even kicks off. This is a classic case of the marketing being a lot more polished than the actual user experience. If you are going to use it, you have to be incredibly careful. Stick to the features that do not require your credit card info. The filters are genuinely fun and the retouching is top-notch. The comic book styles look professional and the cyberpunk overlays are better than what you find in most expensive software suites. However, the technical bugs and the aggressive billing make it a risky bet. You have to decide if a few cool social media posts are worth the headache of a disappearing toolset or a surprise charge on your bank statement. Always look under the hood before you give an app full access to your photo library and your wallet. The convenience is tempting, but the lack of transparency is a major red flag that cannot be ignored. There is a creeping paywall pattern happening here too. Features that were free yesterday are being moved behind a subscription today. It feels like the ground is constantly shifting under your feet. If you decide to jump in, do it with your eyes wide open and your credit card tucked far away. The truth is always more interesting than what you see in the marketing.